Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners battling it out for the top spot in our comparison. In the red corner, we have the Tikom robot vacuum, and in the blue corner, we have the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner. Let's dive into the features and find out which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Tikom robot vacuum is priced at $299, while the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner comes in at a more affordable $199. If you're on a budget, the AIRROBO might be the better choice for you. Both robot vacuums boast impressive suction power. The Tikom robot vacuum offers 2700 PA suction, while the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner takes it up a notch with 2800 pascals suction. With its slightly higher suction power, the AIRROBO might have the edge when it comes to picking up debris and pet hair. When it comes to navigation, both robot vacuums utilize smart technology. The Tikom robot vacuum features gyroscope smart navigation, which allows it to clean your home more efficiently with a zigzag path. On the other hand, the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner also uses gyroscope navigation and highly sensitive sensors to ensure it doesn't fall or damage furniture and walls. It's a tie in this category as both vacuums excel in navigation and sensor technology. Now, let's talk about control options. The Tikom robot vacuum offers multiple control options, including an app, voice control with Alexa and Google Home, and a remote control. Similarly, the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner can be controlled through an app, and it also comes with a separate remote control. Both vacuums provide convenient control options, so it's a tie in this category as well. Moving on to additional features, the Tikom robot vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, allowing you to enjoy a completely clean home. It also has a carpet boost feature that automatically increases suction power on carpets. The AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner, on the other hand, boasts a super slim design, allowing it to clean under low furniture with ease. It also features scraper technology for deep cleaning fine dust in tile gaps. These additional features make it a tough decision, but we'll call it a tie in this category too. After comparing the Tikom robot vacuum and the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner in various categories, we have reached a verdict. Both vacuums have their strengths, with the Tikom offering a higher price tag but a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, and the AIRROBO providing a more affordable option with a slightly higher suction power. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember to consider factors such as price, cleaning performance, navigation, control options, and additional features when making your decision. That's all for today's comparison. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and buying guides. See you next time.